Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, right now I'm getting ready to make some red beans and rice and meatballs. I told Walter that and he frowned up. Meatballs. I'm not going to mix all this together, but we like all these things, so why not eat them together? If I had kielbasa or some kind of sausage, I would use that. But I ain't got none, so I got some frozen meatballs. Very good. They're very good. I'll be using the canned beans. Yes, I said canned beans. I'm all about ease. I know how to soak beans, pick beans, soak them, and pour the water out and cook them. But I don't want to do that no more. I'm using the light red kidney beans by Joan of Arc. And I'm using the spicy chili beans by Joan of Arc. Yes, it's going in the slow cooker. I'll be making some jasmine rice in the slow cooker. This will be my first time making it in the slow cooker. I usually use my rice cooker. But I got this triple rice cooker, so I'm going to use each section of it. Just because. Okay, I'll be using my rotisserie chicken seasoning as well as the jollof rice seasoning in the beans. I'll be using some what's this here sauce in the beans and the meat and pepper. Y'all know I'm going to use some pepper. Where's my other one? Oh, there it is on the stove. Okay, I'll be using pepper. And whatever else I can think. Oh, this going in the beans, definitely. The Knorr powdered bouillon is the chicken flavor. But the food won't taste like chicken. It'll just taste seasoned. This has salt in it. And like I said, I'll be using jasmine rice that's in here. So I'm going to wash my rice. And I think I'm going to use 1 cup. I'm going to use two cups of rice. Then I'll need 4 cups of water. And I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'll be using. What I'm working with. Y'all seen it before. Okay, this is my triple Amazon commercial slow cooker. There's 3 separate compartments. Okay, and it will come out like that. See that? And these are not the ceramic pots. These are some kind of metal. Okay, let me show you what I do. Oh, and I got these crock pot liners in each one. So I always lift up the liner, pour water in here. And that helps my food cook too. If the water gets hot, and hot water cooks. Put some on this side, and some on this side. Okay. And I don't ever tuck these liners up under the pot because it'll stick and mess up my slow cooker. The plastic will stick. So I can tuck it around like this as much as possible. So it ain't looking like it's about to fly away. So I'm going to turn it on. And plug it in. Once the water is in there. Hope that's the right plug. And each side will work separately, or you can make it work all together. So I'm going to turn it for high cook. Make sure that's the right plug I stuck up in there. I don't feel nothing yet. Anyway, I'm gonna fix meatballs. I ain't got the scissors in here. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna open these cans, open these meatballs, and get the stuff I need. Okay. Okay, y'all. I got my rice in here. I washed it. I got 2 cups of rice, so I put 4 cups of water in here. And I always put oil in the water when I cook rice. So I'm squirting a couple squirts. And what I want to put in it. You know what? I'm going to put some of this chicken bouillon powder. Where's my spoon? About a teaspoon. Stir it. And this is my first time fixing slow cooker rice. So, and I can lock it so I'm not tempted to open this. So it's locked in place. Okay, I have my frozen meatballs in this section. I have about 20. So I'm gonna add a can of cream of chicken soup. Yep, I'm putting that on top of the meatballs. It fit. Yeah. I'm gonna add some liquid. This is going to make a nice gravy. That's what the soup is going to do. I'm going to season it. I'm not adding any more salt to this because soup is salty. So I'm going to add all the other stuff y'all be seeing me add. Starting with some pepper. Oh, it ain't turning on. Okay. Don't play with me. I just put new batteries in here. Well, that should be good until I taste it. I'm gonna add some, what's this here sauce? This has some salt in it. Come on now. Okay, and this gravy will be brown. Right now it's yellow. What else can I add? You know what? Might as well add my sunshine seasoning. No salt in this, just a bunch of good stuff. Like I said, I'm going to add water to that. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. Crushed red pepper. Just me and Walter eating this, so I ain't got to worry about making stuff too hot for Mackay since he ain't here. Oregano. Yeah, guess so. I'm gonna add some water. Y'all know I don't use my hydrant water to cook with. I'm gonna add a little water. And put it in this soup can and get all the goodness out. Okay. Now close that. Lock it into place. Now I'm doing my beans. I got some spicy chili beans. This is my favorite bean for making chili. Y'all know I love me some chili. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love it almost as much as I love chicken. For real. I'm adding some red beans. May seem like a strange dinner, but it's food. Just gonna add a little water. Get this goodness out the can. Okay. Now I'm going to season this. Put y'all the rice seasoning. Just a little. Don't want to make it too salty. But I need a little salt because this is going over the rice. Rotisserie chicken seasoning. Enough to make it good. What's this here sauce? Oh. Chicken bouillon powder. I'm going to add about almost a tablespoon. I think that's it. A little red pepper in here. I don't know what I did with it. I'll add some oregano. Okay, I see my battery thing is flashing. So, I'm going to put the lid on here and let it cook for about 3 hours, then I'll be back. Okay, bye. I just want to show y'all, I sealed this bag up with this little bitty bag sealer. I got this from Temu. Okay. The light's still blinking. Okay, y'all, it's been 3 hours. Let me show y'all. First, I'll show you the rice. I turned this one off. The rice is done. Look at that rice. Whoa, it's hot. Nice. Beans. And this is the, oh, it's hot, meatballs. I like how the juices drip back in the pot and it's not dripping on my counter. I like these tops, they don't come off. Well, I can take them off, but if you open it up, the juices ain't dripping all on your counter. Okay. Meatballs and gravy. I ain't ready to eat. This is like buffet. Serve yourself meal. I will put some in a bowl for me. Just a minute. Okay, here's my plate, y'all. Red beans and rice. Italian meatballs with gravy and some salad with French dressing. Dark. Okay, I'm gonna try the red beans and rice. Oh my goodness. Eat a meatball. Tastes like meatloaf. That's a good dinner right here. Oh my. Some good eating. This gravy is brown, even though I put chicken soup in it. So, I want to thank you all for watching me fix this meal in my triple slow cooker. It took 3 hours. It's done. First time I fixed rice in it, and it works. So that's 2 cups of rice, so I had to add 4 cups of water. It works. I cooked everything on high. So it took 3 hours. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. 7:25 p.m. Bon appetit. Bye.